You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn on and off silence unknown callers on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Scroll down again until you see the Silence Unknown Callers option. Tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. The switch will move to the right and turn green. When this feature is on, calls from numbers not in your contacts, mail, or messages will be silenced, sent directly to voicemail, and will not ring. They will still appear in your recent calls list. This is useful for blocking spam and telemarketers. To turn the feature off, simply return to Settings, Phone, and tap the same toggle. Switch to turn it off. The switch will move to the left and turn gray. All calls will then ring through normally. Note that this setting may also silence calls from legitimate businesses or new contacts who are not yet saved, so use it with caution. You can manage which contacts are recognized by ensuring people you know are saved in your Contacts app. This feature works across all your Apple devices signed into the same iCloud account if you have calls on other devices enabled. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.